Using the order form example, we will be making two simple triggers. One will help us calculate the total quantity of cartridges in an order. The second trigger will email the respective buyer every time an order has been made. This is to inform them that their order has been received and confirmed. Let's start with the first trigger. Click Manage on the side menu. Then, click Triggers beside the form you would like to edit. Click on Add Trigger. Type in a relevant name for the trigger name. Click on Event Type and you will find a list of events to choose from. In this case, we would select the event type on Add Record. This means that every time a new record is added in the form, the trigger will activate. Scrolling down, we will specify the action type of the trigger. For this first trigger, select Set Current Event Values. This will define the current values of a specific field in the form. For the action schedule, we want to activate the trigger as soon as a record is added, so type Now. In our action, we want to specify which field we want to set the current values of once the trigger is activated. At the bar on top, double-click on Total Quantity. Since this trigger involves equations, the specified field should not have any brackets. After putting an equals sign, scroll back up and double-click on Quantity 1, then put a plus sign and insert Quantity 2 to the equation. Finally, click Save. With this trigger, it will sum up the fields Quantity 1 and Quantity 2 and generate the result under the Total Quantity field. Let's make the second trigger to send an email. Type in a relevant name for the trigger name. Choose on Add Record. Select Send Email for the action type. Under Action Schedule, type Now. And for the action, we will be using this format. First, the recipient will be under the email field where customers will be typing in their email addresses. Double-click on the email field, then insert your email message, subject and sender name. Please remember to separate each section with 3 hashes. We have now created a fully functioning and simple order form. Once a customer fills in the order form, we can now generate the total quantity of an order and also send an email to notify them. Aside from these two triggers, Jet also has other triggers such as Move Record, Copy Record, Rapid SMS, and many more. If you would like to learn more about our basic and advanced triggers, please go to jetworkflow.com.